Hello, hello, good people. Sandile here. The girl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Today, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon or evening, depending how you look at it. I want to go try and see if we can build the loop, sort of greenhouse netting for my squash to protect it from the monkeys. So I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go and do that and see how this project will go. While we at it, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you could have done it better than I will, because I am no expert but a learner. I am learning every single day. Let's go do this. Okay, yeah. So as you can see where the red cup is right there, that's my tea there. Though it's this and that raised bed that we should be covering, but I've got something in me that says maybe I should extend my covering past this raised bed here. But I don't know if I'll be able to do that, because I think I have 8 conjoint pipes, yeah, and they are like 4 meters each. So with 2 couplers or joiners, so I can have like an 8-meter arc, so to speak. But yeah, we'll see. If not, it's fine. Why I want to cover it all the way there, it's because I know that these guys are still going to spread and go crazy. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, it gives me a dilemma, because then I can't come in here and open that unless I direct them where to go. Anyway, let's just have a look and see how this thing is going to work. This is a 5-meter tape, which doesn't have. Lenny, come and stand here and hold the tape quickly. It doesn't have. It's talking about 8 meters. Stand right there. Hold the tape for me. Okay. So yeah, we're looking at about 5 meters past this raised bed. So okay. Not yet, Baba. Okay, let's see. See. Oh, cut me. Cut me. No, actually, it didn't cut. I've got a spindle in. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to take this thing out. I've got a spindle in. See? Yes. See, it's tiny little thing. Oh, fell now. Okay, yeah. Oh, no. I think I've just seen why. I think I've just seen why. A reason why I want to cover this. I'll show you. There, the monkeys took it. It was, yeah, it was here, Baba. It was here. See, blood. It was there. Let me get the phone and show you. The monkeys, they already know that there is squash here. Just wanna show you why I want to undertake this big project. You know, I wanna show you. Yes, Baba. Okay. You see, this is the reason why we had squash here. Oh, 2 of them gone. Oh man, 3 of them. One, 2, 3. It could be more than 3. You see here, this are the guys that the monkeys attack. You see, these guys here. Let me show you. These guys there. Those are the guys that the monkeys are coming for. Oh man. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can get this loop protection in place. Let's see. We've already lost like 3. So this is where the spindle went when I was rolling the tape. That's why you need to have what you call it, PPE, when you're working, protective work stuff. So my plan is to have 3 conjoints going. I have how many pegs? I have 8 pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6. So got these 6 pegs. Like 1 here. Oh no, the soil is so loose. You need the hammer. No, the soil is so loose. This is worrying me. Oh, but please move. I need this soil to be as high. Oh yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. That's a problem. The soil is so loose. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to push the conjoint itself down, because the idea was to put the pegs in, and then once the pegs are in, one can, you know, put the conjoint on the peg, bend it, yeah. But
where's the motorcycle? Where's the motorcycle?
Hey, let's see. Ah, yeah. Here's more evidence of what I was talking about. Please move, boys. You don't have to follow me everywhere I go. Here's more evidence. See, this is the monkey devastation. See, here was a small butternut squash, and you can see the teeth from the monkey. Yeah.
No, what? What? Look at this garden.
Anyway, let's see if we can get this. Feels a little bit better. Feels like the soil won't be what I then. I said you don't have to follow me everywhere I go. I understand you want to see and stuff, but the space here is too small, my boy. You're just gonna have to let me do this, and I'll call you and make your hand. Okay. Yeah.
Water lesson.
Hold on. It's so soft. This is so good.
Can you see the hot music? Got the drop music.
Some people will say, I find this to be bad, because now,
Can you see the hot music? Got the drop music. Congratulations, we won that secret place. What we are, friends. Ah, no way.
Okay. No. Let us do this and see.
Let me have one.
Ooh,
I'm taking the
almost broke it.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm taking the little
There you
thing.
go.
Oh.
Yeah. Danny, please give me that back.
Bag?
Yes, here on your foot. Thank you. Straight down. Give me the conjoint. Give me the pipe. Nah, there. Thank you. I'll have to put a pole somewhere here in the middle. You see. Ooh, that's not so stable. That's like not so stable.
That's a big height.
Okay. There we go.
Daddy,
Looks like it will work. Yeah.
it kind of looks like a big umbrella.
I know. And it does kind of look like it will work. Do you think it will work, boys?
Yes.
I think so too.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I really...
Maybe I can still make it. So we're going to have to finish the video here and we'll carry on. My hoops are not right quite in line, but we'll fix that. But I think you get an idea of what I'm trying to do. Now the question is whether my netting is long enough to fit in here. I'll have two poles somewhere in the center here and maybe one pole on that end there on the center, and then I don't know if I'll have a pole on the middle pipe or arc, and then I'll have conjoint joints that I will put across and tie them with cable tires, or I'll use the T connectors, but easier is the cable tires, just to make the structure a little bit more firm and strong. Yeah. Well, unfortunately. Well, guys, as you can see, it seems I have less conjoint than I thought I had. I thought I had 8 because I was going to cut the other 2 into the crossing pieces, but I don't have. Anyway, but I do have a lot of old conjoints that I can use around the yard. I just need to find it. And I need to get the 2 poles. Yeah, that will balance the whole thing. And then I need to find out if my netting is long enough to cover this whole area. Because if I don't cover it, I won't have any squash. Last year, the monkeys devastated me, so I learned from that. Ideally, I should have put my squash in this enclosure here, you know. But because I know how much of a mess it becomes, I was like, nah. Actually, now, almost said something that's not truthful. This here was self-planted from the old seeds that I had thrown on my food scraps. Yes, that's what happened. My actual squash or pumpkin is on the enclosure down there where the fire had bent the net and I had to put a new net. Yes, show you that one. We'll make a video, you will see. It's growing quite very, very wild, and I think the netting or the enclosure is becoming too small for it. But you know, it is what it is. So now we need to try and protect this. Even though I did not purposefully plant it, I still appreciate the fact that it has grown to this much and it is productive and it is producing. So I want to protect it and make sure that when I harvest on this raised bed here, I can also harvest there. That was the video for today. Even though it's incomplete, we'll complete it soon. I hope that you learned one or two things out of it, especially how to build your easy quick fix, you know, what they call it, greenhouse, you know. Yes, greenhouse, because if you were to use plastic to cover it, then it turns into a greenhouse. But I'll use a netting because I'm doing this for a different purpose. I'm not trying to build a greenhouse. I want to just protect this crop from the monkeys. Okay, Sandile here. The girl is on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out. I will come back with another installment where we will be finishing off the video. Cheers for now.